Hi, welcome to the Carsrumor Channel. This time we will discuss the new 2025 Bentley Continental GT. Bentley only confirmed a week ago that it would be replacing its recently retired 6-liter W12 engine with a plug-in hybridized twin-turbo V8 that would make more than 740 horsepower. It turns out that they were slightly exaggerating when they said that, because these first teaser images of the revised Continental GT confirm that it will have a top speed of 771 miles per hour and 737 lb-ft of torque. The previous generation of the Continental GT Speed had 650 horsepower and 665 pound-feet of torque, so these numbers will make the new car by far the most powerful Continental ever made for the road. When this happens, we should actively support inflation like this. There are still many unknowns. Bentley has not listed any performance numbers or, more importantly, a weight estimate for the new engine. The plug-in hybrid powertrain has increased in weight, and it has an unknown-sized battery that can provide an EV range of 50 miles, probably under Europe's optimistic WLTP testing routine. Likewise, we must wait to find out the fastest charge rates. Many more details can be gathered from Volkswagen Group products that are closely linked and have already been announced, such as the new Lamborghini Urus SE and the Porsche Panamera Turbo e-Hybrid. The Bentley will likely have an electric motor between its combustion engine and gearbox. It will probably have the same twin-clutch transmission as the current Conti GT. All four wheels will then receive power. Additionally, Bentley has revealed that the new Continental will have all-wheel drive with torque vectoring, four-wheel steering, and a 48-volt electromechanical anti-roll system. What Bentley calls the fourth-generation Continental appears to be a facelift of the retiring third-generation model, despite the fact that it is hidden in the photos that accompany this article. Due to Bentley's past promise to make the whole range hybrid by 2026, we can be sure that the PHEV powertrain will quickly make its way into the rest of the range.